I want to convert the garage into an apartment for Mom and Dad.
I think it's a good idea. Let's call John, the contractor.
You have two options to convert the garage into an ADU. You can take the traditional route, which involves weeks of work, but in this case, I see that gravity might be an issue.
ADU? Gravity?
An ADU is a small living space. A converted garage with bathroom, laundry room and bedroom, a basement apartment, or a guest house.
This is too much. There must be an easier way.
Don't worry. Like I was saying, because of gravity, you'll need a pump to get the job done. Have you heard of SFA Saniflo?
SFA Saniflo?
Let me show you. Quick installation, affordable solution. No mess, no expensive plumbing work done in just days. Get your ADU done right.
We can't believe you built this so quickly for us.
We couldn't have done it without SFA Saniflo.
I'm definitely recommending SFA Saniflo to all my clients.
Saniflo makes plumbing easy, affordable, and hassle-free. Ask your contractor today. Check your local regulations for more information. Visit sfasaniflo.ca for more information.